How to transfer group members to another group on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to share a group invite link to move members across on Android. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and navigate to the new group you want to move members into. From there, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. After that, scroll down and tap on Invite to Group via Link to open the sharing options. At this point, you have two ways to proceed. If you want to send the link directly through WhatsApp, tap Share Link and select the contacts or groups you want to send it to. From there, if you'd rather copy the link and send it manually, tap Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. Following this, go back to your chats and open the group where the members you want to move are currently in. From here, paste the copied link into the message field and tap Send. Finally, once the members receive the link, they can simply tap on it to join the new group directly. That's how you transfer group members to another group on WhatsApp. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!